Greetings everyone, welcome back. You ready to save? I know you are, because you wouldn't be here. Today, I want to talk about rental cars and how to save some money. Let's go. All right, holidays are coming up, right? Everybody likes to travel. Everybody has family all over the place. A lot of people don't have family in the same city. So what does that mean? You gotta travel, gotta get on an airplane. And sometimes family can't come get you. They might live 2-3 hours away. So you gotta rent a car. But you wanna save money, don't wanna get beat. One of the ways I like to save money on rental cars is reserve the car early, 30 days early. What you do is this, you reserve the car. You don't have to put your credit card down and you keep watching the rates. Check the rate every other day. Just recently, I saved about $100 because I checked for a car on a Monday. I looked on Tuesday, looked on Wednesday, looked on Thursday. Friday came around, boom, car was on sale. Give it to me! And I got it. And once I got it, saved myself $100. Now, the thing is, I did have to pick the car up. I fly in on a Wednesday, but I can't pick the car up until Thursday because it's a $100 difference. So what I did was, Wednesday ends at midnight, I just booked the car for 12:03 or 1 o'clock in the morning. Of course, I might be late, but that's fine. It's a difference in the days. So if you can pick the car up later, do that. Do what you gotta do. Just play around with the dates and see if you can save some money. But most importantly, check the reservations. Check it on the day you book it, then keep checking it and see if the price lowers, then you get it. Number 2, now I just learned this tip recently. I haven't tried it, but I'm gonna give it a try. What you do is, you get your rental car and you book it at a off-site location from the airport. So you know they have the local branches and whatnot. You call one of those guys up and say, hey, don't y'all come pick people up? Hey, I need you to come pick me up. And they'll come pick you up because even though they're the same company, they're still competing for business. So if you can call the guy, the local branch, it might be $50 or $60 cheaper than the airport branch. The airport branch charges you taxes and other fees. So sometimes it's worth it to see if there's a local branch that can come pick you up and take you to the spot. Bam! That's how you save money on rental cars. I'm going out of town, so I'm gonna have to get a rental car soon. Another thing, last thing, get the cheapest car possible. Do you really need an SUV? Do you really need all that stuff? Unless you need that particular car, why not get the economy car? It's cheaper on gas. You don't have to, go through all that stuff to fill it up. It's easier to park, especially if you're in a big city. You don't want a big clunky car you've never been to the city before. It's gonna be hard to park, especially here in Los Angeles. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit that like button, comment below. If there's any topic you want to save money on, drop it below in the comments. I'll definitely put a video out for you. I appreciate you supporting me. I'll see you next time. Stay cheap, not broke.